Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Land costs can flip this fast, so watch this quick question and see why cheaper building inputs push townhouse supply in one clear direction. Land is an input used to build townhouses, so its price is part of production cost. When the question says land gets cheaper, builders face lower costs right away. A decrease in an input cost makes producing each townhouse more profitable at every price level. That means builders are willing and able to offer more townhouses to the market. According to supply logic, lower production costs increase supply, not demand. So the result is a rightward supply shift, which matches increased townhouse supply. Well done! Option D, scan now. Trap, rushing signs. Rule, trust what is given and check the steps, because cheaper inputs increase supply.